You are from the COA?
For your honor.
Yes. Si Commissioner Lipana, is he in the Philippines?
As far as we know po, sir, sick leave po siya. Ang balita po namin nasa Singapore po.
Okay. Is he under investigation by the COA
Sir,
right now after all the allegations and the revelation and the testimonies?
Sir, clarify ko po kung ano pong gusto nyong sabihin sa investigation. Kasi po, sir, di ba po impeachable official po siya. Pero
No. With respect to your internal, your internal processes as a commission, hindi naman pwedeng maghihintay kayo ng impeachment. Should you not also have your internal investigation?
sa mga transactions po siguro, sir, nire-review na ng mga auditors, and even po doon sa na-mention po nung nakaraang hearing, sir, na meron po siyang transaction sa Bulacan, kasama po yun sa fraud audit. Pero doon po sa position niya bilang commissioner, sir, na investigation, parang hindi po saklaw ng COA po.
Ibig sabihin, hanggat walang impeachment investigation or complaint, walang aksyon ng COA sa ganitong klaseng sitwasyon?
Sir, hindi ko po masasagot, sir. Kasi, sir, di ba po ang option lang it's either mag-resign po siya or ma-impeach po siya.
Okay, but kung gano'n ang hihintayin natin, ibig sabihin, hanggat walang nagpa-file ng impeachment complaint, wala ring internal disciplinary processes yung COA. For example, okay, I can understand that up to a certain extent, although I disagree with it, no, na wala kayong pwedeng gawin dahil impeachable officials. But dun sa mga COA auditors na may kinalaman o na-involve or sila ang nag-audit nitong mga ghost projects, meron ba kayong ginagawa tungkol doon?
Kasama po siya sa fraud audit, sir. Kasama po siya sa objective ng fraud audit team kung involved po yung mga auditors natin. And then eventually kung ma-prove po siya ng fraud audit team natin, nakasama po yung mga auditors, isasubmit po yan sa internal audit affairs po namin.
Yeah, but how long will that take? Kasi ang pinag-uusapan dito 2020, at least initially 2023, 2024, 2025 based dito sa Salaysay. Meron na kayong ongoing investigation ng mga auditors ninyo? In other words, meron bang nag-audit sa mga auditor?
Meron po, sir. Opo, meron po.
Okay, kasi nga yung gusto nating malaman kung totoo ba yung biro na commission o audit. Ibig sabihin, bigyan nyo kami ng komisyon at kung walang komisyon, bibigyan namin kayo ng audit. Kasi hindi natin alam paano nakalampas lahat itong mga substandard, etc. ng ilang taon. No? So, we need that information in the next hearing. If you can at least submit an updated, ano ang update doon sa mga investigation ng mga auditors that may have yung fraud, unit. What do you call it?
Fraud Audit Office po, sir.
Okay.
Opo. But as far as I'm concerned po, sir, wala na po din doon sa team yung mga auditors natin sa Bulacan First District Engineering Officer. Na-reshuffle na po sila. Opo.
Bakit naman reshuffle? Baka mamaya kung saan mo sila dalhin, doon naman sila gagawa ng kanilang kalokohan, hindi ba?
Hindi po, sir. Wala na po sa auditing unit po.
Yes, but should not there be a deeper investigation? Were they involved?
May ongoing na po, sir.
Okay, so we want the update. If it's meant to be confidential, then we will keep it strictly confidential. But the committee I would be interested, and I'm sure the committee would be interested to know what you're doing.
Opo, sir.
Okay,
Opo.
thank you.
Thank you.
And sa usapin ni Commissioner Lipana, mabalik lang tayo. Meron akong kontrata dito, contract of agreement, no? Department of Public Works, no, involving Convergence and Special Report Program, Olympus Mining and Builders. Siguro, Mr. Chairman, I will turn this over to the committee because interesting enough, ang asawa ni Mr. Commissioner Lipana, ang ginagamit niya doon sa kontrata is her maiden name. Olympus Mining and Builders Group Philippines, represented by Marilu G. Laurio. So mukhang merong concealment, no? Dahil alam niyang asawa siya ng isang commissioner, hindi siya pwedeng kumontrata dahil may conflict of interest. So dito nakalagay Marilu G. Laurio and she signed it, no? Pinirmahan niya. Authorized Managing Officer. Ganun din sa, ayan, Olympus Mining. Marilu Laurio, name and signature of contractor's representative. No, so maybe we should also invite Miss, what is her name? Laurio or Lipana, also known as to this to the committee for the next hearing, so that she can shed light as to these contracts, Mr. Chairman. Now, puntahan natin si Sims Construction, Sally. Sabi mo, ikaw ay nagwi-withdraw ng, sa Malolos, Bulacan, Land Bank.
Yes, Your Honor.
Magkano wini-withdraw mo?
Kasi, Your Honor, hindi na, halimbawa 457, kung ano lang po yung available that day, hati-hatiin po yun.
Magkano nga yung isang transaksyon? 50 million? 10 million? 100 million? Cash. Wini-withdraw mo ng cash.
Yes, Your Honor. Ano po may withdrawal po ang 457 eh.
457 million. Pumayag yung bank manager sa 457 million cash. Wala kayong cheque? Checking account ba yun?
Cash po yun, Your Honor, na request ko po.
Paano pumayag yung bank manager na i-release yung 457 million cash?
Ano naman po, sa land bank naman po yun at, Your Honor.
So land bank, bank manager.
Yes po.
Also, Lilibeth Lim.
Hello, Highway po.
Andito pala. Is she from the land bank? Malolos branch. Ma'am, can you join us? So, may arrangement ba kayo, Sally, sa bangko para pumayag sila ng may malaking transaksyon na gano'n na ilalabas?
Hindi po,
Please come forward, ma'am. Yun sa land bank.
Your Honor, papaalam naman po ako sa kanila. Bawa na po, may withdrawal po akong ganon. So, hindi naman po agad-agad yun ibibigay. May mga araw po yun na sasabihin na kasi kinukuha pa daw po nila sa ibang...
Kaya nga.
Opo.
Pero pangkaraniwan, yun yung pinakamalaki. 457 million isang araw.
Teka po. I-recall ko lang po ulit sa...
O ano ang pangkaraniwan?
Tanong ko po sa abogado.
50, 70 million?
Mga minsan po kasi kalahati, minsan 200.
Million?
Opo. Minsan po 150. Depende po sa ano po, kung ano po yung...
Kay Mr. Kay Mr. Diskaya, ganun din ba? Meron kayong account sa land bank?
Yes, Your Honor, meron po.
Tapos dinideposit sa inyong account sa land bank yung pondo ng DPWH?
Your Honor, ano po, LDAP po. LDAP. Ibig po sabihin yung mula po sa DPWS, pag binayaran kanila, papasok na po yun sa account mo.
Sa land bank?
Opo, nasa'yo na po yun kung gusto mong i-withdraw or
Yes,
panatilihin
yes.
na po muna doon.
So, kayo may checking account kayo? O nagwi-withdraw din kayo ng cash?
Pag kailangan pong bumili ng mga materyales na cash para po mas makamura, doon lang po kami nagwi-withdraw ng cash.
Pero umaabot sa 100 billion din yung inyong account sa land bank? Tama ba yan?
Depende po sa collection po na makukuha po
Well,
namin.
yes or no? Umaabot ba ng billion ang accounts ninyo sa land bank dahil sa mga project ninyo?
Hindi naman po kasi kadalasan po pinabibili din po ng materyales at saka pampasweldo.
Pumapasok pa rin sa account ninyo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
So nagkakaroon ng reflection sa account ninyo yung pumapasok na billion-billion.
Yes po,
Okay,
Your Honor.
okay. That's all I need to know. Ma'am, practice ba yan ng bangko na magre-release ng 457 million cash? Hindi ba red flag na yan na dapat nire-report? Ang gusto natin malaman dito complicit ba ang banking system natin sa ganitong klaseng corruption?
Mr. Chair, apologies po that I can't...
Kindly stand up, ma'am, so you can administer your oath.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this proceeding?
Yes po. Your
Thank you. You may take your seat.
Please proceed.
Go ahead, ma'am. Please answer the question.
May I request to repeat the question if okay po? Apologies po,
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
Ganun ba ang patakaran? You can
I can answer.
have 457 million pesos cash released as a bank on a single day, and wala ba, di ba red flag na yan? Di ba dapat nire-report na yan? We want to know if the banks are complicit in this the illegal transactions using government funding. You're land bank, di ba?
Yes. The land bank is, once the transaction is more than 500,000, it will be automatically captured by the system and be reported as covered transaction report.
And
It's
that's
automated po once it is over 500,000.
that's all you do?
At first, that is what we
Yeah,
are
that's the
already
law,
doing.
but
Yes.
that's all you do. Wala ba kayong know your customer? Nagwi-withdraw ng 457 million, okay lang?
We have-
report lang na over 500,000?
We have due diligence and KYC as well upon opening of the account po, Mr. Chair.
So how did this happen?
In particular account po, it is, according to bank secrecy, we need to request for the consent of the, if it is, of the client.
Miss Sims, Miss
to
Sally,
buy-
okay lang siyang magpaliwanag? Under the bank?
Your Honor, paalam lang po ako sa attorney ko.
Waiver of your rights to under the bank secrecy law.
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, anyway, so you're amenable. Go ahead, ma'am.
Yes, we have a copy of the of the waiver that we can let her sign first
Okay.
now so that I can answer.
Yes, so can you have that done? Well, while we're waiting for that, what we want to find out is paano nangyayari na 100 milyon, kalahating bilyong piso, parang pikit mata ang ating banking
Senator
system.
Pangilinan, for the information of the body, meron tayong kopya ng lahat ng ledgers ni Sims, ano? Ito, yung binabanggit yung 457 million, 2 araw po ito eh. Natig po 457 million, March 24, 2025, yung isang withdrawal, total in 1 day, July 3, 2025. Ito yung sinasabi ni Ms. Santos, parehong delivered do sa office ni Engineer Bryce Erickson Hernandez. No? Marami po rito, ibibigyan ko kayo ng kopya.
Yes, thank
At,
you.
i-reproduce natin. Marami po, merong withdrawal na 180 million, may withdrawal na 141 million, withdrawal na 299 million, withdrawal na 65 million.
Tsaka-
Puro,
yes.
puro isang araw ito.
Tsaka puro cash.
Puro cash ito, cash. Actually.
Bakit hindi cheque? O manager's check? Bakit walang patakaran ang bangko na, teka muna, kasi pag may cheque, meron ding paper trail. Kaya cash. Kaya 500 million cash sa loob ng 2 araw. Hindi napapansin ng ating government bank pa ho ito. At most likely, alam ninyong government funds yung binayad doon sa kliyente ninyo.
Senator Kiko, bigyan ka namin ng additional 2 minutes.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank